Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show how to add Google AdSense to WordPress website. So, let's dive in. First, you need to open your WordPress website. It's essential to have a website where you can run ads and generate income using Google AdSense. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. Next, head over to Google AdSense and create an account. If you don't already have one, sign up for a new account. For those who already have an account, you can log in directly. On the Google AdSense homepage, you'll see the tagline, "Creating content takes time, making it profitable shouldn't." This is the official platform for setting up AdSense. Click the Get Started button to begin the process. Log in using your Google account credentials, then add your website to AdSense. Copy and paste your site's URL, scroll down, and you'll encounter options like Get More Out of Ads and Send me customized help and performance suggestions. Choose your preferences and proceed by selecting your payment country. Ensure that you agree to the terms and conditions, then click Start using AdSense. Your Google AdSense account is now set up. It's a straightforward process. You can add multiple websites to AdSense, including YouTube channels for monetization. For this example, I'll be focusing on my main website. Once the site is linked, Google will automatically generate ads to be displayed on your platform. Simply click Let Google place ads for you and configure your ad preferences, such as placement and page exclusions. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard. Scroll down to the Plugins section and click Add New. Search for the Google Site Kit plugin. This plugin integrates AdSense, Google Analytics, and Search Console into your WordPress site. Look for the plugin titled Site Kit by Google. Install and activate it. After activation, set up the Site Kit plugin by signing in with your Google account. During the setup, Google will verify your ownership of the website by adding a verification token to your site's HTML code. Click Verify to complete this process. Once verified, turn on metrics for your dashboard and the SiteKit setup will be complete. Navigate to the Monetization tab in the SiteKit dashboard, which connects you to Google AdSense. Log in again using your Google account and ensure that all required settings in AdSense are configured, such as payment methods and ad customization. After completing the setup, your WordPress site will be linked to Google AdSense, enabling you to start running ads. Keep in mind that Google AdSense requires websites to meet specific eligibility criteria before ads can run. Submit your site for review, where Google will evaluate its content and compliance with AdSense policies. Upon approval, ads will begin displaying on your site. In addition to providing a platform for earning revenue, Google AdSense also offers robust tools for tracking and analyzing your website's performance. Using its built-in reporting features, you can gain insights into key metrics, such as which pages are generating the most engagement, which ad formats are performing best, and where your traffic is coming from geographically. These detailed reports allow you to refine your ad strategies, optimize placement, and maximize your revenue potential. AdSense operates as a comprehensive, user-friendly platform powered by Google, ensuring that your ad placements are legitimate and organic, making it a reliable tool for generating passive income. With this straightforward setup, Google AdSense becomes an invaluable asset for website owners who want to monetize their WordPress websites. It combines ease of use, powerful analytics, and a commitment to compliance and quality, helping you transform your site into a steady source of income. And that's how you can add Google AdSense to WordPress website. Thanks for watching.